Hi, this is Merlin. Today I'm going to talk about what I learned today. So actually, what I learned was I tried to solve this LeetCode question group anagrams, and I think what's it. I think it works, but this kind of empty string is not working on the hash map. So I yeah, I thought my answer was correct, but it was not. It's kind of, and I look at the solution of it, and it was kind of interesting because rather than using the map, it used just empty object let answer. So let's see it. Let answer. Why it's not working? But never mind. So it's using this kind of thing. You use let answer, and you put it, and when there's no key of it, you put the empty array of it. And when you put it, and it pushes to the array. So that's kind of that's kind of interesting part. Yes, this is kind of interesting. So, and moreover, I'm gonna try to explain with. So I'm gonna go deep dive of the how to increase the web performance, but I since I have no knowledge of the process on kind of a OS concept because I literally had no chance to take a courses in my university because I'm only turning third grade. So to enhance the web performance, you have to know this. You have to know where your your website renders. Where so your the example this is your uh render example you are rendering in the main thread. Okay, that's nice. In the main thread, there's gonna be like HTML, HTML. What else? JavaScript, HTML, and there's gonna be JavaScript. What kind of CSS? Like this, like this. So this is your rendering. Does it construct it does parsing? Is construct DOM parsing construct DOM and it go what was it? Paint. It was the paint, and then layout. I forgot it. Oh my gosh, I forgot it. I think I have already. I think I have to read again of the research paper. Read. I forgot it. Sorry. Parse the DOM. It's style. Style it. Put the style on it. Put the style on it, and put layout on it. Layout. It just making a box up. And next one is paint, right? Paint is just like making a paint, and just like composite and render. Composite. Render. And it render. Composite and renders. So it happened in this thread. It happened in this thread. But the thing is, what is thread? So thread is, we know the thread is a part of process, and actually there is one more. All we see here is render process. So this is the render process. Oh, how about network? We fetch the HTML and JavaScript right via network, but where is the network? So our network is in other process. This is browser process. Browser process. In the browser process, there are UI thread. UI thread is the main thread. Main thread of browser process. So there's a UI thread, and there's network thread. So here's it, network thread, and there's more thread. Hold on. So there's more thread. There's a input and output thread, IO thread. I think there's input IO thread on the render process. So it's doing IPC via input and output thread, but I'm not sure of it, so I'm gonna just delete it. So how does it work? We fetch. So this is IPC, interprocess communication, IPC. So you send IPC. No, actually IPC is on here, IPC, and this one is IPC. So this is how it works. So after you let me explain what UI thread does. UI thread, what does is we are trying to, when we trying to search something on the address bar of our Chrome browser, that's called UI thread, or others in the address bar. So we put some search or keyword, right? So UI thread parse the keyword and makes and trying to identify it is a URL or just a keyword. It just, and if it's URL, if it's URL, and if you click it, there's gonna be like there's gonna be navigation of it. So it when it hit enter, the network thread one is the one who trying DNS lookup, and the others to fetch the data. When it fetch the data, it tells UI thread is UI thread the data is ready, and UI thread are trying to tell render process data is ready. So UI thread is one who tells that data is ready, and network gives the HTML or JavaScript. But I'm not sure about it. Who? I forgot it. Wait, hold on. Who is the one who gives the HTML or CSS? Hold on. Browser process, commit navigation, IPC, the data from the browser process, commit navigation, on the browser process, address bar. Wait, sorry, so network thread is giving the HTML or CSS JavaScript in the on the render process also. So and red thread is just the one who says render this page. So this is how it works. But the thing is that to understand this kind of process, you have to understand what is browser. So what is browser? Browser is actually a software application. So if you click it, if you click the application on your desktop, it's gonna be program. So what is program? Program is just a list of instructions, and so when you hit enter, it become program. And when it's running, if programs run, program is become process. So what is process? So process is instance of program runs. So that is how it goes. So what is process then? If you look at the process model, there is the resource grouping, and execution. To do execution, it uses thread. So actually, thread is one who doing execution of process, and this is how it works. And what else? Resource grouping, and so when process, there's a process state, new, running, what else? Waiting, executing, right? ready, yeah, ready, and terminated. So new is the process is being made, process created, process is running, process waiting for other process, right? Waiting for some event to occur. Ready is process waiting, process waiting to be assigned. Terminated, you just finish the execution. And the process state transition is new. Use the new, right? New. What else? There it was the red, right? Ready and admitted. Ready. What else? Ready. Running. Yeah, running. I forgot it. Running. Interrupt. Secure dispatch. Sorry, I forgot it. So I have to just read this document and make it works. Like this. This is interrupt. Ready. Interrupt. And this is secure. No. Shit. No. Wait, hold on. Schedule dispatch, and this is interrupt. Interrupt. This is exit, and this is terminated. And this is input and output, waiting, IO event, IO or event wait. Event completion. So this is the process. This is the transition of process state. But I think I should. Memorize it. But this is how it goes. So when the process is being made, because render process is being made per tab. So the process is being made like this, and when the process is being made, the transition is like being like transition is like this. So we have to know that even we doing the simple network, there could be latency on the application, not your website, your browser, your application. So this is how it goes. Yours red, and there's gonna be like this. Yeah. So this is how it goes. So tomorrow I'm gonna talk about the process more. Okay. Bye bye.